Maryam. Rule mix-up.
It's a beautiful day at the park, and Yusuf and Maryam are excited to play with their new friend, Zakaria.
So, are you ready?
Zakaria suggests a fun game, but Yusuf and Maryam misunderstand the rules.
Wait, I thought we were supposed to run to the tree first.
No! We were supposed to run around the tree.
The game doesn't go as planned, and everyone feels a bit frustrated.
Where's Zachariah? Maybe we should have listened better. I'm not sure what the rules were.
Yeah, we should have asked him what the rules were for the game.
That's right. It's always good to ask questions, as Allah reminds us in the Quran. Consult them in the affairs. Then, when you have taken a decision, put your trust in Allah. Certainly, Allah loves those who put their trust in Him.
Suddenly, Zakaria appears and catches part of Maryam and Yusuf's conversation.
Hey, let's talk about the rules together and make sure we all understand.
Yay!
Yeah, sure. So, basically I turn around and count to 10, and you both need to reach that tree over there before I turn back around.
Zakaria, Yusuf and Maryam discuss the rules clearly to one another.
Let's go!
They realize that clear communication is key to having fun together. The children begin playing the game again, this time with smiles and laughter.
1, 2,
By
3,
taking the time to
4.
communicate and understand, they learn the value of working together.
Yusuf and Maryam!
Yusuf and Maryam.